Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on GLMR. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you a very big breakout from this big down channel. In fact, when it was moving inside this channel, in those days I have been sharing with you several videos that once GLMR will be able to break out this long-term down channel, then this long-term downtrend will be finished and the long-term uptrend on the 7 days time frame chart will be started. And the target that I've been telling you for this breakout from the channel was here at the top of the channel, approximately between 55 cents to 60 cents, and you can see that the price and rallied beyond that target up to 72.9 cents. And by the way, from this low to this high, it was more than 384%, 48% rally, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. You can see that previously it had been working as a very strong support zone, and after the breakdown in the month of August 2022, since then it is flipped into a very strong resistance, and we got several rejections for the past several months, and this is the most recent rejection that has happened here in the month of March on 11th of March 2024, and after this rejection the price line is dropped down at this long-term support of 26.5 cents that was previously breaking as a resistance, and now it worked as a very nice support and geared up, and the price line is now moving above this support of 31.5 cents that had been previously breaking as a very strong support zone here, and here it had been breaking as a resistance, and now again it is working as support. By the way, during this rally the price line has also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well, and now you can see that this Ichimoku bearish cloud is also breaking as a very nice support, and after this drop the price line also tested the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support and geared up. And during this move I was also showing you this very huge and massive formation of this inverse head and shoulder pattern that is still possible even after this drop, and this can be the formation of the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis, and first of all let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared on 9th of March 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GLMR formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. And by the way, this was almost 47% pump. Within few movements you will be able to watch this move. You can see that the price line nicely moved up and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the 7 days time frame chart, and previously we have been following this down channel, and finally after the breakout we had a nice rally, and the channel's breakout target was here at the top of the channel, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target, and now it is once again rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents that had been previously breaking as a support zone here, and after the breakdown it worked as a resistance zone here, resistance here, and here, and this is the last rejection that has happened here on 11th of March 2024, and after that the price line has tested this long-term support of 26.5 cents, and now it is again moving above this support of $31.5 cents, and now there is a probability that the price line may soon try to break out the next resistance of 40 cents. That is also another very strong resistance. You can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance here and support here, and almost as a support here as well. Therefore again it can work as a resistance. By the way, here it has been also breaking as a support as well. Now if we take a look at this support of Ichimoku bearish cloud, that was in fact a very strong resistance, and now you can see it is flipped into a nice support. Previously we broke out the lower bands and rejected by the upper bands and dropped down at the support and tested the lower band as a support and geared up, and again broke out the upper bands. And this time we have broken down the upper bands and tested the lower bands as a support and geared up, and now there is a probability that the price may also break out this upper band resistance once again. And we also have the formation of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And previously I was showing you this move in this way, and this was the expected right shoulder. However, we have another rejection. Now this formation can be in this way, and this can be the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern until or unless the price will be not drop more down than this head of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That move is still possible, and this long-term resistance zone is also working as a neckline of this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now if the price then breaks out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then technical target after the breakout will be here, and that can be approximately at $2.65. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.